Let's go thrifting at the Goodwill Bins and see what we can find. Ooh, they're having an end of the year deal. $1 on apparel, 20 pounds and up. Well, that doesn't really help me out because I don't usually buy clothing here. Oh, it looks like they're refilling the wall right now, but they have a few bins still left out. Oh no, did they restock these? I don't know, I'm not gonna dig because I don't want to get in trouble. If these are new, you can't dig till it's all full. So I'll wait for them to finish and then I'll go dig. What is this? It looks like it was a blanket that somebody made into a pillow. Oh, cute little baby Afghan. Nice spring colors. Even if you don't have a baby, this would be cute just to put out in spring decor. Just think of it hanging out of a basket, maybe a cute little spring pillow with a bunny on it. Look, here's a big peep right here. Ooh, I like this color green. This one's kind of falling apart. What is this? I think that might be the top of a table. The sweater looks cute. I like the pattern. Oh, it has some stains on it. More lampshades. When I came the last time, there were so many lampshades. Look, here's another one. I don't think I need any more. Unless it's a cute color or pattern that I could use for the seasons. Like a fall one or a Christmas one. Ooh, what if I found a lampshade with some bunnies on it? That would be adorable. Oh, maybe I could make one. Should I make a lampshade with some bunnies on it? That would be a fun project. I could get just one like this. You can paint these. I have painted a lampshade before. You know what? I like the shape of this one. I'm going to put it in the cart. Y'all let me know if y'all would like me to do a bunny lampshade. Looks like they have a few rugs here. What's the price on this one? $16. Both of these look pretty dirty. Some kiddie pools here. These are $10. Isn't that what they sell them for at the regular store? Here's another rug. Right here. I have a few beds. I see a chest over here. Look at this piece. It is $20. Looks like it's in good shape. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, ooh, it's made of wood. This one's nice. I wish there was a handle or something for it to be easier to open. This would be cute in a kid's room to put toys in. Or even in a living room, you could use it as a side table and put stuff in it and then maybe put like seasonal pillows or blankets to store in there. Here is a trestle table. Nice thick wood. Oh, look at the scalloped edges. That is so pretty. How much is this? $50. That seems like a lot for the Goodwill Bins. Usually tables are maybe $20, but maybe they're raising the prices because I feel like normally something like that would be $10, not $20. I just found this Christmas book right here. I want to do lots of Christmas art around my house next year. How cute are these pictures right here? So you just take them out and then you frame them. And they make beautiful pieces of art. Okay, it looks like these are stickers, but honestly, they blend in really well. Look how pretty. So definitely be on the lookout for Christmas books that you can turn into artwork. Look at the lamp. See, that's what I want to do. For the holidays, I want to change out my lampshades to go with whatever season we are in. I feel like the Goodwill Bins is getting good again, which is very exciting. So we have more of this thrifting adventure at the Goodwill Bins. But first, I want to tell y'all about my next Whatnot sale. It is going to be New Year's Day, January 1st at 11. No, they're usually at 11. This one's going to be at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. I just realized it is going to be my first Whatnot sale of 2026. And I'm trying to bring on spring, y'all. So we're going to do a bunny sale. It's loaded up with bunnies. Everything is pre-listed if you want to check it out. And I'll probably be adding more as well as the sale gets closer. And if you have no clue Well, what that is, y'all, 2026 is the time to come check it out. It is an app where all day long they have different auctions going on, anything and everything you could be interested in. So cute vintage home decor, clothing, shoes, electronics, live plants, coins, Pokemon, literally anything. You can just go to the search bar and search. And if you're brand new to Whatnot, make sure you use the link in the description or the QR code on the screen, because you're going to get a $15 credit to use on Whatnot when you use my link. And I'll also have a link if you are interested in becoming a seller in 2026. So y'all enjoy the rest of this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all Thursday with all of our cute little bunny friends. So many adorable bunnies. Wait, let me show y'all this one. Have y'all ever seen anything like this? Okay, it's a ceramic little bunny. It's hand painted, but in the little booty comes out little cotton balls. Isn't that adorable? Or is it weird? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Leave a comment. They just brought out a new bin. Look at this cow painting. It's so cute. I'm gonna get this for sure. It looks like they got some pewter pieces. Oh my gosh, I did not know you could break pewter. But that one is broken. All right, let me put this under my arm and keep digging. These are missing some little salt and pepper shakers. If I remember, this might be cats that go in here. I'm gonna try and hold on to it while I'm digging and see if I can find the pieces that go with it. Let's see if it's under all of these Christmas bags. Oh, some foam. I know this is from the Dollar Tree, but I actually need that. I don't see the rest of the pieces for the salt and pepper shakers. Some seasonal decor in this bin. What is this? A lace skirt, a medium. I don't think that would fit me. I probably need a small, and it has some stains on it. Ooh, I like this candle. That's cute. I love using candles in my decor, and I don't have one like that. Ooh, little snowman. He's adorable. I need him. Can stick him in a vignette. I'm looking for like little Christmas stuff because I wanted to put together, I love putting together vignettes for my Whatnot sale, but I was finding myself needing a lot of Christmas figurines. So I'm going to be collecting those. Oh, this stocking is cute. Has some stains on it. Peppa Pig. Ren loved Peppa Pig, but she's outgrown that. Oh, look. This would be another fun little lampshade to do a DIY on. It's metal. You know what? I'm going to add it to my cart. Let me know if y'all want a makeover on that one as well. Oh, look at this. There's two of them. These are from Target, I can tell. Well, I was wrong. These are actually from Pottery Barn. They have a set of them. It looks like maybe 24 by 24 Euro shams. Should I get these? They look like they're in really good condition. They just need to be washed. I think I'm gonna get them. Oh, look at this toaster. This thing is very retro. I wonder if it works. Lots of shoes. Oh, what is this? That is gorgeous. Handmade crocheted Afghan. And look at it next to these fall colors. Could you imagine this in your decor for fall? I love it. Okay, we gotta add that to the cart. Oh, that has something broken on it. It must have had handles on each side. Oh, these are cute. Okay, I thought these were false graph because it matches my false graph pattern, but it's not. Okay, that one's in good shape. Even though it's not false graph, it looks like it. And like I said, it matched my set, and I need some bowls. I only have plates, so I'm gonna grab these three. I hope there's more of them. I haven't found more of those bowls yet, but look, there's some fancy cow shoes. Do I need some cow loafers? Oh, what are these? Wait, could this be the salt and pepper shakers that go with that little basket? Nope. does not fit. Do I need these? These would be cute. Look this way, and you put it on a little mini tray. It just looks like a mini jug. All right, I'm gonna grab both of these. Oh my gosh, look at this crock in someone's basket. I'm so jealous. Waylon actually has this exact art in his room. He has a best friend and they're always twinning. I think I'm gonna get this so he can give it to his friend for Christmas. This shirt is so precious. I love the color and the little beads, and it's short sleeve, but it does have some stains on it, and I think it's missing a few pearls. They finally refilled that wall, but I did not find much. I got these beautiful brass candlesticks, always exciting when I find a pair, and this Christmas tree. I love the dark color and then the gold sparkle. I just need to find a different pot to put it in. Also found this, so I'm about to open up and see what this is. Okay, that is not what I was expecting at all. I thought it would be a cross-stitch piece or something like that. It says it's a washable pastry frame. I don't bake. I've never seen anything like this, but it also came with these pieces. Maybe that's to hang it. I'm gonna get this because I feel like somebody that does like to bake, this would be amazing artwork, even in a bakery or something. I love the look of it. So yeah, I'm gonna grab this. All right guys, I think that is going to be it for today's thrifting adventure. I have to head out, but I got a lot of good stuff today, which is very exciting. So leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite item that I purchased today, and I will leave a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart full of stuff, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. Don't forget to come hang out with me over on Whatnot. If you are watching this at a later date, come over, click the link, follow me anyway, because I have sales almost every single Thursday.